EQSANSCLI is the reduction tool for the EQSANS instrument. At the spallation neutron source, Oak Ridge National Lab. As an example, we will use one real experiment, IPTS 38603. It walks through the whole reduction workflow in the terminal. First by hand, then automatically with autopilot. Every reduction starts with the catalog. Type, load, IPTS 38603. EQSANSCLI asks OnCat for every run in the proposal. 72 runs come back, each with run number, title, distance, and wavelength. Before reducing, check the class column. EQSANSCLI has already sorted every run. Empty, background, and sample transmission runs. Background scattering, and the samples themselves. If a run is mislabeled, the reclass command fixes it. Now run match runs for every sample at every configuration. It finds the transmission, background, and empty beam. 54 rows are built. Presets and calibration files are applied too. Every sample is ready to reduce. Next, set the output directory. Reduce everything now with reduce all. Or export a script to run later on the cluster. EQSANSCLI writes a complete DRT-SANS script. 54 samples, 2 configurations ready to run. Each sample is measured at 2 configurations. A high-resolution one and a high-Q one. Stitch build groups them per sample. Smart mode finds where the curves overlap. Stitch run merges them into 8 stitched curves. Now the same pipeline automatically. Type autopilot 38603. Autopilot runs all 13 steps in order. Catalog, match, presets, and calibration files. Reduce the standard and calibrate the absolute scale. Reduce every sample, stitch, and plot. One command for the entire reduction. That's the full EQ/SANS workflow. Load, verify, match, reduce, and stitch. By hand for control or autopilot for speed. IPTS 38603 was just our example. The same steps reduce your own experiment. Thanks for watching.